Okay, Freckles just rolled over on his side. He's being very submissive towards her, which is a good sign. Rolled over like he's doing right now, and then she came over and she smelled him. So he's pretty relaxed about this. And she's totally relaxed. Ears back, tail's level, mouth's open. It's a very, very relaxed position for a dog. She's very polite. She greets very polite, head low. You can see Freckles isn't in a proud stance. He's also low and his tail's relaxing more. There's some play right there. Alright. Back, right there. Sit. Almost. Good enough, whatever. Stay. Straight into play, that's good. There's a little bit of initial smelling, but then straight into play. Typically in pairing, male-female is the best pair, is least likely to have a fight. You might get some corrections if there's some unwanted mounting, but other than that, two females together, two males together, you know, especially in a place like this where there's 20 plus dogs and there's all the smells. Everyone wants to be the king of the yard. You can see he's putting his head over her, being dominant, but she actually allowed it. Because he's not threatening at all. He's definitely very playful right now. He's totally relaxed from when first taking him out. That's good. See how polite she is? She doesn't make direct eye contact with him. She just lets him sniff. She keeps her head low. That means, hey, I don't want any trouble. You can smell me. Now his girlfriend, pretty much girlfriend, Peanut, and her get along. Two females. She'll be going to get spayed 3 weeks because she just had shots, so she's going to be going to get spayed soon. And so the hope is to have all three of them in a small play group, the three of them. So I'll test Peanut, him and her, you know, through a fence, just to make sure there's no animosity between the two females, with the male being involved. But I think it'll go pretty well. Freckles is definitely a pretty calm, dominant male, so he's not one to go bite first. He's one to just use body language before anything. But this looks good. Very good.